What is up, guys and girls, and welcome to the Glamorous Key channel. And if you are new to my channel, then welcome to the Glamorous Key channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. And for today, as you can see by the title below, I'm going to be making something called Tanghulu. I think it's called Tanghulu. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. Like, I looked at it again to see how she said it, but I think it's Tanghulu. Yeah, Tanghulu. So if y'all don't know what that is, it's actually like candy coated fruits or whatever, and it don't matter like what type of fruit that you want to use or whatever. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need in order to make it. So you're gonna be with me today, and we're gonna be making Tanghulu. But before we get into this video, I want you to go ahead and make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, because your girl, I have a goal for 2020, and that's to get 1,000 subscribers. So support your girl on this journey and hit that subscribe button, you guys. But I'm not gonna ramble anymore, so let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm actually gonna have y'all on the side over here. Hopefully y'all can see me. I gotta squat down. But what you're gonna need first, you're gonna need your little pot, you're gonna need your pot, okay? You're gonna need some honey, and the honey is just for sweetness, whatever. You don't really need it if you don't want it, but the video I seen, she used honey, so I'm gonna use honey. You're also gonna need some sugar, and you're gonna need some skewers. This here, I got the jumbo ones because I couldn't find any smaller ones in the store. These are the only ones I could find. But yes, you're gonna need skewers, and you're gonna need a cup because you're gonna need this for your water and your sugar, and of course you're gonna need your fruit. All right, yeah, so don't mind the little stuff in the back. But here I got my grapes, so I'm gonna be using grapes. I'm gonna be using blackberries, and I'm gonna be using some delicious strawberries. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut the stems. Like, you want to cut the stems off your strawberries, because when you push the skewers from them, you don't want the stem like just all in the way when you try to push the skewers through it. So I'm just gonna cut these up. So that's all of them. Got all those cut up, looking pretty. Alright, y'all, so y'all probably not gonna really see me that much in the video, but I want to show y'all what I'm doing. So here, got my pot here. I'm just gonna put it on the big burner right here because it's close to the camera. So what you first want to do, you want to put it on low heat. So I'm going to put it on low. Alright, so then next you want to get your sugar. So it's going to be sugar, and doesn't matter what type of sugar you get, whatever sugar floats your boat. And then what I'm going to do is 1.5 cups of sugar. So we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. 1, and then there's a half in there. So make sure we get 1.5 cups of sugar. I hope y'all can see that. Let me move it a little closer. Alright, so I got 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, and then next you want to do 3 tablespoons of water. Alright, y'all, so what you're going to need is, if you don't have a tablespoon, you can do 1/4 cup of water. Okay, if you don't have a tablespoon, because you have to do 3 tablespoons, so 1/4 cup of 1. Okay, 1 of 1/4 cup equals 3 tablespoons. Okay. Oh, that's not so confusing. Alright, so you add your mud, and then you add 2 tablespoons of honey as well. And you do not want to mix this together. All you want to do is you kind of just want to shimmer it around according to the instructions. You just want to shimmer it around. Get all that honey in there. You can whisk it around a little bit. And once again, make sure your temperature is on low. So I have it on the 3rd of low, but you want to make sure it is low. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's looking. Back as soon as it starts to actually do something. So I don't have a thermometer for candy. I don't have a thermometer to actually do the temperature on it. So she did say when it comes to like a certain color, then you can just go by the color or whatever, and then it'll be done. So I'm actually just gonna come back when this actually starts doing something. All right. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna just start putting the fruit on the skewers. So while that's doing this thing over there, I'm just go ahead and put the little fruit on the skewers. You wanna get some non-stick placement paper. Well, parchment, sorry. You want to get you some non-stick parchment paper, because when you put your fruit and all that into the sugar, you're going to want to sit it on something so it don't get all sticky on it. So use some parchment paper. But this here, I'm actually going to put the fruit on the skewer and then set them on this parchment paper right here, just so it'll make it easier for me when I'm ready to dip it into the sugar, the melted sugar. And y'all don't mind my little board back here in the back. I actually got my instructions on it and some little 4X stuff I'm learning. So don't even mind all that or all this other stuff. I got all this stuff in the back right now. You just slide it in the back there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I actually kind of want to like mix it up and that. So maybe I'll do like a strawberry first. So I'm gonna do a strawberry. And then maybe I'll do like 3 grapes. And y'all can be creative with it. It don't matter how you do it. For me, I'm gonna be creative with mine. So I'm gonna do a little strawberry, maybe like 2 grapes, do like a blackberry. Ooh, okay, the blackberry mushy. The blackberry. Okay. Then maybe we can do another grape. Another 2 grapes, because I got a lot of grapes, y'all. And another grape. Oh, it busted open, y'all. Yeah, that's probably why y'all want some smaller skewers. So here, yeah, this looks so pretty. Yes, that looks super pretty. I'm gonna add another strawberry on here. So that is my skewer. And look, I got a bit much going on it, so. Alright y'all, so those are the skewers. They look so pretty. So here the candy coated caramel, whatever you want to call it. It's starting to boil up a little bit. So this is what you want. You want it to like boil up like this. But on the very top, you want it to get kind of brownish. Like you want the color to be a little darker on the top. I don't know if you can see that good with the color, but as you can see, the color's still pretty light. You can turn it up a little bit, just a little bit though. Alright y'all, so I am done letting this get hot enough. I don't want it to get burnt, so I feel like this is good enough. So what I'm gonna do next is just go ahead and coat my fruit on it, and then place it on my parchment paper over here. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm excited. Okay. And I did turn the burner off already, so. Alright, so I'm just using my spoon. And I'm going to just go over it. And I can feel it already getting hard. Let me not use it all on one of these because I got like 9 more to go. I got like 10 of these. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Like, that is so freaking gorgeous. Like, that is. Look at that gloss, that shine on it. I'm just gonna sit it over here. Y'all can tell it's probably about to get burnt if I had it on there any longer. So that's why I just went on ahead and just took it off. And I'm gonna hold it like down so it can kind of like run off. Yeah, it's already getting like hard as soon as I put it on there. Look at that. I see that. Yeah, so I am done making my skewers and here they are, and they look pretty rough. Like, it didn't really come out like how I wanted it to, and I didn't even finish making the rest of them because my sugar started getting hard, and yeah, it just became too hard and I couldn't even drizzle it over the fruit anymore. But I'm actually going to try one. I think it's been 10 minutes because you're supposed to let it sit for 10 minutes. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how it tastes. Alright, y'all, so here goes nothing. It's the moment of truth, y'all. Hopefully I don't break a bracket because my appointment is next week and I got time to be breaking no brackets. All right, here we go, y'all. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, I can't do it. That was hard. Oh yeah, I'm gonna break a bracket if I bite any harder. Well, I can't eat chicken carrots. They about to mess me up. Okay. So the strawberry one's good. Not too bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give about a 7. Yeah, I get about a 7. Cause it's most definitely different. So now I'm gonna try one of the grapes. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. Wow. I don't know. Oh. Okay, I can't break this out. Okay, I got this one. I took this one off the skewers. Alright, so yeah, that one there get like a hard solid 0. The one to break, that was nasty. And I don't know, cause my caramel started getting too hard, a little burnt, whatever. But go ahead and wrap up this video. If you ever had these before, let me know how you like them. Honestly, they're not really my favorite, but it was interesting and fun to make, so I want to make them again. But if you want to make them now, you go ahead and do you and make your tanghulu, but I ain't doing it again. It just, it ain't my thing. It ain't my thing. So thank you for watching the Glamorous Key channel, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, your family, whoever. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because your girl is on a goal of 1,000 subscribers for 2020. So make sure you support your girl and hit that subscribe button, you guys. Don't worry about my thing. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time on the Glamorous Key channel. Bye.